Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be making Nigerian fried rice. So sit tight, watch this video to the end as I take you on a journey. Here is my rice, already washed with cold water, no parboiling. My carrots, sweet corn, our green bell pepper, some green peas, our running beans, spring onion. So this is green scotch bonnet pepper and green bell pepper. These two I'm going to be blending them together to get that greenish color in my fried rice. So here is my liver and my chicken. I've already cooked them, so I cook them separately. I'm going to be frying them. And here is my chicken stock. So in this pot I have little vegetable oil. I'm going to be adding some ginger and garlic paste, fresh one. So I'm going to be frying the rice. Remember, I did not parboil. It's raw rice. I'm going to be frying it in this oil for some minutes. So I just added my stock now. The blended pepper, green pepper. The peas. Some stock powder. I didn't add salt actually because the stock already contains salt. So since the chicken stock is not much, I'm going to be adding more water to it and then cover to cook. So here is me trying to check if our rice is done, if it's soft enough. I'll be adding a little more water, but then this rice is so tasty. I'll add it on, even though it's not going to be done completely because I'll put it right. So in this clean pan, I'm adding vegetable oil to fry my chicken and liver. So I'm frying the chicken now. After it's almost done, I'll be adding the liver after. Our rice is ready to be devoured, to be mixed with the veggies. See, they are not sticking together because I fried it. Yummy. So I'm done frying our chicken and the liver. I've removed the other oil. You can still use it too for yours. I use it sometimes, but this one, for this particular recipe, I'm using fresh vegetable oil to fry our veggies. So right now I'll be adding the onion, Little salt. Our carrot goes in. I add this first because it's stronger than the rest of the vegetables. So I'll be seasoning the veggies. I add the green pepper next because of the sweet aroma that will be coming out of it. I want the oil to bring it out. That is the secret to a very sweet, yummy Nigerian fried rice. See, if you have, in fact, the green bell pepper can never be enough. Like, even if you have more than the quantity I use, it's still very okay because it is this green pepper that brings out that sweet aroma for fried rice. I've just added spring onion now. Sweet corn. Of course, our liver. My rice is somehow big, so I'll be frying in batches, like two. I'll do it 2 times, so I'll have to divide these veggies. I'll be adding gradually. Then you add the mixed carrot. Adding little more salt. So this is really what makes it fried rice, and this type doesn't go bad easily. It can last for days, just even in your fridge. You are safe. It's not the type that you just boil the rice and add veggies and meat and all that. Also, at this stage, you can adjust. Like, if you taste it there is not enough salt, you feel like you need to add more seasoning, this is the stage. Like, you can do all those things here.
So guys, this is our fried rice, so delicious. Please guys, like this video, drop your comments on the comment section. Also subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon, which is the notification button, to be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.